All right, this is the day of our Chapter 9 mid-chapter check, which is our final test for this chapter. We're going to move on to Chapter 10 after this. So here are your 4 do now problems. Go ahead and pause them and work them out, remembering that you need a common denominator when you add or subtract fractions, and you don't need a common denominator when you multiply or divide fractions. Okay, let's go over the answers. We have 28 minus 9 is 19, and then the 37 on the bottom just stays the same, so 19/37. We have, there isn't any simplifying here, I did check. Then 3 times 1 is 3, and 8 times 4 is 32. So 3 over 32. Here we have a division problem. We look to see, can 4 fit into 2, and it doesn't fit, so we go into the 24. That'll fit 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24. Subtracting and getting 1, bringing down that next digit. How many times will 4 go into 14? 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. You subtract, get 2, bring down a next digit. You actually have to, if you're going to do it this way, you're going to have to add a decimal and another 0 to bring that down. 4 will fit into 25 times, and you shoot your decimal straight up. So that's if you want to end that problem with a decimal. You also could have went 63 with a remainder of 2 and not added the decimal. That would be another option. Or it could have been 63 and 2 over 4 simplified down to 1/2. So any of these 3 answers will work. And for this one, we're just going to multiply. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Put down our placeholder 0 right here. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Adding those all together. And we get 9, 9, and a 0 when you add those. And then you have 1 digit behind a decimal. So that's how you know to move this over 1 spot. And it will become just, the answer is 99. Okay, so the things you need to remember is the placeholding 0 and making sure that you look for a digit that's behind a decimal. We have 1 spot. Okay, we're going to get ready for our test on Think Central today.